In this video, I will show you Slate Edge Credit Card Review. The Slate Edge Credit Card offers 18 months of a low introductory APR and automatic 2% APR reduction each year. It also has no annual fees, allowing you to save on interest with a low intro APR for up to 18 months, starting from the date of account opening. Additionally, your interest rate will decrease by 2% each year as long as you spend or pay at least $1,000 on your card by your next account anniversary. Key benefits of the Chase Slate Edge credit card include saving on interest, a low intro APR, no annual fees, and the potential for annual interest rate reductions. You can also automatically boost your credit limit as you maintain a good payment history. The card offers credit health management tools to help you keep tabs on your credit score and financial health. You'll also have access to tools to help you reach your financial goals. Regarding shopping deals, you can unlock exclusive offers while shopping and benefit from a lower balance transfer fee of just 3% within the first 60 days. Additional benefits include purchase protection, which covers eligible purchases against damage or theft. Extended warranty protection, which extends the manufacturer's warranty on eligible purchases. Zero liability protection, meaning you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges. And roadside assistance, where you can access emergency roadside services. The card also supports contactless payments, allowing you to tap to pay for fast, secure transactions. Partner benefits include discounts, like up to $10 off quarterly DoorDash orders. You can also add your card to digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay for instant spending access. Now, let's talk about the cons. The card has a high regular APR after the introductory period ends, and the rewards program is limited. There are also strict spending requirements to qualify for the APR reduction. This card might not be ideal for frequent travelers. As always, it's a good idea to consult with an expert before making any decisions. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free.